Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I made a video. So something pretty cool happened. I received my first order for a pair of sterling silver ball stud earrings. I said well at the end of last year, the almighty willing, I'll be branching off into jewelry or just basic lines of jewelry for the year. So this has been my first order for jewelry. I'm starting the year off strong. Totally looking forward to this. I've got the parcel with me now and I'm gonna unbox it and you guys are gonna see what actually came in the parcel. They don't look so big on the ear though. So that's 5 mils. Some 4 mil ones. 4 mils are awesome. And I've got, the lady ordered 2 pairs of 3 mils. And the 3 mils they're so dainty, but they're so cute, bro. They're super cute. It's 3 mils are awesome, bro. 3 mils are awesome. Okay, so 2 are going to her. 1 pair is staying in stock. 4 mils, but these are still available if anyone wants to buy some 4 mils. I suppose I'll be wearing this one. 925 sterling silver. L. Ho. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Okay, it's slightly big. I don't know if I'll wear a 5 mil. 5 mil is huge, my man. But I suppose the 3 mil is also super cool. But that's super cool, my man. And, okay, I think 5 mil is the biggest. I don't think you can get a 6 mil. And this butterfly is feeling slightly loose here. But you know what? With sterling silver, it feels very malleable. I mean, even this butterfly feels very malleable. It feels like it's sterling silver. It feels very soft. Yeah, guys. Okay, so that's my first jewelry item for my first sale for the year. My first jewelry item for sold. That's pretty dank. That goes back in here. Okay, so I've got 5 more, 4 more. I need to get some more 3 more. Yeah. But I mean, even a 4 more is super cool. That's pretty dank. That is pretty dank. I think I should pierce my other ear, and I think I want to get an industrial piercing. So, if any of you guys feel like I need a second piercing on my right ear would look cool, drop a like in the comments, and I will drop a like. Say yes in the comments, and yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying tuned, and here's to big things for the rest of the year. And I'll chat to you guys soon. Oh, cool! This is super cool, man. That's super cool, bruh. Cool. Thanks, guys. Oh, and I'm on TikTok now, so you guys are welcome to follow me on TikTok as well. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching.